There's more to life than living. There's also loving. Finding happiness. Tasting pleasure. Tasting satisfaction inside your heart. So if someone is living, Sanjeevani gives life. But there's another medicine called Rasayana. Rasayana is a rejuvenator. It's a tonic. Makes you, you're alive, okay. Sanjeevani brings you're dead, you come back to life. Now you're alive. But unless you're really vibrant and really awake and really alert, fully jagrata, you can't enjoy the Maya Jagat. So Rasayana gives power to your senses. Your senses become empowered. You become very healthy and vibrant and extend your life. Rasayana. Sanjeevani, Rasayani. So here's the analogy. This is for the Sharira. The Sanjeevani is Naam. 1 lakh, rose 1 lakh, 32, 16. 32 is nice. I usually do that. Sometimes I don't like to track my brain. 32 and then I can do things. But I was going to. So this is not, so that's okay. That you're alive. Okay, I'm alive in spiritual life. I chant my 16 out. And it's a fact, because if Guru says do that and you do that, that will keep you alive. You'll keep you floating. But there's more to the ocean than floating.